Here it is raining since last night. I can see only the birds. Wow, these birds are having fun. It is drizzling, but I can see the birds are chirping like crazy, like they are having a lot of fun. You can see around where I'm standing the greenery, the water standing here and there, but all the roads are clear. Like it is not like we can say flooded with water. Rain has almost stopped. That's why the birds are having fun. I can see around all the leaves on the roads. I'm standing under a tree here and recording this scene. Beautiful, like amazing nature. It is not cold if you wear all the clothes. And nice walk in the rain means it's not like flooded rain. It is just drizzling, and it is very warm day according to the season which we were having. Last night it was cold, but today it is like rain and less cold. Whenever there is rain, we feel less cold because of we can say because of the less humidity and wet rain. Wet weather means less cold. If it is just cold, then we feel shivering cold, but when it rains, the temperature goes down. And always when there is rain, we can say the temperature is more than zero. That's why it is warm. Not warm, but less cold. I came out just to record because it was so beautiful. I could see the squirrel running, the bird chirping, and it's beautiful. You can see it is so beautiful. The autumn has almost finished. Still some trees have leaves. It means they can bear this weather. But these all leaves will go down in couple days. We can say in 15 days, in 2 weeks, every tree will be bare without leaves. And we can see just the bushes. Only Christmas trees will stay green with leaves, but all other trees will shed their leaves. Almost every leaf will be on the ground. But here in America, we collect all the leaves with the help of some machines. They are collected from the roads because they make the roads slippery. So whenever the weather gets dry, the people related to maintenance come and blow these leaves in the sides. Then they pick them with the blower. It goes collected in the trucks. Then they make manure out of it. So everything is recycled. All the bushes, all the branches which are down, they are cut and recycled. You can see the squirrel here. She's having a lot of fun. You can see she's right there, hiding under the bushes here. She was right there. I'm having a nice walk in this greenery. Rain. It's not raining much, but I can see the nature, beauty of the nature with all these birds flying here and there. So I wanted to share with you. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.